Hey, welcome back everybody to Old Volks TV. I'm sitting around today reading some magazines and looking at some older magazines, actually, some vintage stuff that I have, and kind of made me nostalgic for the old days of square phone video and very low resolution video and just some fun old stuff that we used to have from back in the day. So I thought it'd be fun this time to kind of check that out and see what some of the other chapters, some of the other guys out in California and Nevada and everything have been doing, Arizona. So I scoured the internet and the old files and came up with a few neat videos from way back in the day. Couple cruises, just romping around in the mud, hanging out in the mountains, stuff like that. So we're gonna check some of that out. I hope you enjoy it. Wow, that looked like a lot of fun. Brother Geoffery up in Arizona, grabbing a bus for himself, for the wife. Looked like a nice Westie. It actually turned out to be a very nice Westie. It's owned by Steven now, up in the northern Arizona Old Volks. But pretty cool to see that thing coming home on the trailer, and then see some trail riding, some mountain stuff up there from the Arizona high desert. I love seeing my friends get their cars and get their cars running and everything. If you like looking at Volkswagens, you should check out Volks America magazine. It's a fantastic magazine put on by our friends up there. Full color, full glossy pages. Look at that layout. And the nice thing about this magazine is that anybody can be in it. And they keep up well. This is an older version. This is issue 11 with the sweet orange pop top on it. I think we're up to 13 now. 14 should be coming out pretty soon. You can head on over to volksamerica.com to get your subscription. I definitely recommend it. It's super worth it, man. This is a great magazine. They keep up real nice. They're kind of heavy duty, so you can stack them up on the shelf and they're all labeled and everything. So I've got everyone so far, and I hope to have everyone from now on. So it's great. You should check it out. volksamerica.com. So now we'll go check in with California boys and see what they're up to. Look like they've had some fun romping around in the mud in the camper, and I think we've got some footage from a couple of the old shows. So let's go check that out right over there. Alright guys, well there it was. Was a little short one today. I want to see if I can dig up some more vintage video. I kind of like that little nostalgic trip down memory lane. And I know we've got some really old stuff, but it's all on little cassettes. You young kids don't know what those are, but some of us know. And I got to get those converted so we can look at some of that. Got some old pictures too. Maybe I'll get those digitized and we'll get some of those up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit this subscribe button. I'm going to put it right here for you. And maybe not. Who knows? Who knows where it's going to end up. Subscribe. Visit our friends at volksamerica.com. Get your subscriptions there. Volksmania, also get your subscriptions there. Check out SaveTheTexasDuneBuggy.com as well. They need some signatures, trying to get some laws passed here in Texas so that we can register our dune buggies and our sand rails for the street. That's critical. Do that right away. SaveTheTexasDuneBuggy.com. Farron's been working really hard on that stuff, so we're so close to getting it done. Couple signatures will get it, so go check that out. Look for our friends VWLife on the YouTube. They got some great videos. I think they're taking apart a video this week, or taking apart a bug this week for the harvest raffle. That's pretty awesome, so check them out. And thanks for watching.